Hi there! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a monthly membership inside Dance Studio Manager. Memberships are a great way to offer flexible access to your studio while generating consistent monthly revenue. For example, you might offer something like $200 for 8 classes per month. And with auto-renew, students won't have to keep signing up again and again. It's convenient for your clients and great for your studio's cash flow. Let's begin by creating the membership category. Log into your DSM account, go to Settings, then Categories, and click Plus New Category. Change the top category to Member Categories. Let's type in the name, as example Bronze Membership, and set the order to 99.99, or any number that reflects how many clients can use this membership. Customize the icon. Choose a color, a letter, and a background that matches your branding, and save the category. Now let's set up the Bronze Membership as a sales item. Go to Sales Items, then click Add New. Set the type to Package. Under the Common tab, give it a name like Bronze Monthly Membership. Describe what's included. For example, attend up to 8 classes per month. Auto-renews monthly. Enter the price. Next, go to the Activation and Expiration tab. Choose when the membership will activate. This could be on the sale date, the student's first visit, or a selected date. For expiration, choose how long it lasts, such as 1 month. You can also set it to never expire or end at the end of the month. You can allow students to register for a few days after it expires if needed. Enable auto-renew, set how many times it should repeat, for example, 999 times, and choose whether it should renew automatically when the membership runs out. Now open the Purchase Restrictions tab. Set the sale start and end dates. Choose if the membership is sold online and who can buy it. All clients, new clients, or selected clients. You can also decide if it's sold individually or through open or set course enrollment. If you plan to charge students automatically, open the Scheduled Payments tab. Enter the monthly amount and choose which day of the month to bill them, like the 1st or 5th. Then go to the Additional tab. Enter the tuition amount, for example, $200 per month. Choose the billing schedule, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and assign the correct billing cycle. Set the item category to membership and use a charge category that matches your studio setup, like all-inclusive membership. Now scroll to the contract section. Check the box that says clients must agree to a contract and choose the contract you want them to sign. Now click Save. If you haven't made a contract yet, go to Settings, Pages, and click Plus Add New. Give it a title like Bronze Membership Agreement. Choose the relation, for example, Sales Item, and set the visibility, all, logged in, or anonymous. Under Need Signature, decide if students must sign or just agree. Paste your contract text in the content area, then click Save Changes. To finish, test the membership by registering a test student and making sure everything works, from pricing and auto-renew to the contract and activation. And that's it, you've now created a fully functional Bronze monthly membership inside Dance Studio Manager. It's simple for your students and gives your studio steady, recurring revenue. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on using DSM.